Hi, it's Adam with WebStarts. Thanks for watching this video. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to tap the subscribe button and enable notifications. That way you'll be the first to find out when I release a new video on web design, internet marketing, search engine optimization, and more. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use WebStarts to find professional looking photography for your website. One of the things that makes your website look good is professional photography, but we can't all afford to have a professional photo shoot done for our business. That's where WebStarts comes in with its image library. It's already integrated into WebStarts, so there's no cost to using it. To get it, just sign up for a WebStarts account at WebStarts.com, which I've already done for this video, and then go ahead and log in to your WebStarts account. The first view that you'll see is called the dashboard, and you'll see a thumbnail to your website when you log in. And in order to begin editing the pages of your site, just click on Edit Site. Here you can see what we call the WebStarts page editor. That's where you edit the pages of your website. You can select them from the drop down in the top left, or you can create a new page by just clicking File, New. To swap out an image, just double click on any one of the images and click the image search tool in order to begin searching for some professional photography for your website. The photos are organized both by category as well as the ability to search by keyword and even by a color from your color palette. So let's go ahead and click on one of these categories and see what kind of photos are available. You can see that there's a huge selection, but let's go ahead and just type in food and see what it looks like when I use a keyword search. To add the photo to my page, all I need to do is double click to select it, and then it's going to swap out the existing image. You can also add images to things like photo galleries, like this is a photo gallery, for example. I click on it, I click Add Images. Once again, I'm going to use the image search, and then I can go ahead and type in my keyword, and then I can add whatever image that I would like to that particular photo gallery. When I'm ready, I click Update, and then that's updated on my photo gallery. You can also add an image to your page. You can do that by creating space. Just select any of the elements on the page, use this smart handle that's attached just to create some space by pushing everything down the page. Then click Add and then click Image. And once again, you're going to use the image search, and I'll go ahead and type in my keyword one more time, and then I'll double click on the image that I'd like to add to my page. You can see that image is added to my page right away, and if I want to resize it, I can use the attached handles and I can drag to position that wherever I want it to appear. I can even make that a full width image if that works better for the web design that I have. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to visit webstarts.com to get access to these free professional photos and to create your very own free website, online store, or blog. Thanks for watching, and once again, don't forget to tap subscribe and enable notifications, and I'll see you next time.